Hi guys, you're welcome to Sweb Studios. Now in this series I'll be talking about Orion. If you are a structural engineer and you don't make use of Orion, if you're making use of manual design, you're stressing yourself. Now Orion is going to do the job for you within a twinkle of an eye. That calculation you're going to be calculating, racking your brain, trying to get that result, which could not be very accurate. Now Orion gives you the result with accuracy. It will give you the details of slab, columns and beam within few minutes. All you need to do is to now export the result into AutoCAD and arrange for printing. So it's just like magic. Now we can do the training online with the aid of Zoom, or alternatively you can get my training video which I develop for distance students. Now either way is fine. The videos are as good as one-on-one training, and one good thing is that when you get my training video, it's not just a one-off thing. You get the mentoring as you watch my training video and teach yourself. At any point where you encounter any difficulty, just beckon on me. I'll be available to chat with you on WhatsApp. If it's something that I cannot solve on WhatsApp, I'll create a video to solve that. So that's how simple it is. Alright, I expect you to chat with me. My name is King James.